Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a bit of an unboxing, even though they don't come sealed in the box. I'm getting some new fans for my test bench and main computer. So my test bench, if you guys are returning, as you might know, is running up here, RGB fans, and they're a bit on the noisy side, I feel like it. So I'm getting Arctic, which are well known for being really quiet and very cool as well at the same time. So these are the RGB versions, A-RGB in real terms, and I'll be doing a unboxing of this. So without further ado, let's have a look at the box. Not too shabby. All right, let's open it up. Okay, very simple boxing. So you get some screws with it. Okay, so it's 4 screws. You don't get anything else, and that's basically it. And you get the Arctic, beautiful Arctic, and it's got rubbers as well, rubber feet, which are really good. The EK AIO that I'm using, the 360, the fans don't have these rubberized, which are always good to reduce vibrations. So you've got 2 cabling in here. So you've got the cabling for the fan and the RGB, so A-RGB as well. So you'll be able to connect the A-RGB, and you can daisy chain them all together from the looks of it, and that way you can use one. I've got 5. I'm waiting for 140 mils as well, and that'll be good to go. All right, thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below what you think about Arctic as a company, and I'll let you guys go. Thank you for watching it. Take good care. Bye bye.